this video, I am going to show you how to set up a shared Google Drive folder, because we will be using Google for everything in our middle school literacy class, and so you need to be able to do that. So if you have not created a Google account, you need to do that first. And then the other suggestion that I have is that you always use Google Chrome, because after you sign into it, it will always recognize your sign-in in any Google product that you're in. So that's really easy and important to remember. So if you'll notice, I'm on a Google home screen, and to get to my Drive from here, I can do it two different ways. I can go to this little apps launcher right here, and it's right here, Drive, with the little triangle, or I can just type it in here, but I'm going to go ahead and do Drive. And then you'll notice that I have a lot of folders here, but you might not have any, or you might just have a couple. But what you're going to do is you're going to create a shared folder between me and you, and so you can share all of your scoring guides that you're going to copy and create and put in there, and all of your projects, documents, presentations, everything that you create will be in your Drive folder. And so you're just, from this Google Drive screen, you're just going to go right here to create and do folder. And then the name of your folder, I want you to be very specific about this, because this is the way that I will organize them when I see that they are all shared with me. So we're going to do 2014, no space, fall, and then do a hyphen and TRMS, which is our code for the name of our course. And the reason I do that is because I do this with all my courses, so it helps me to stay organized. And then your last name with no space and your first name, and then I will have all of these in alphabetical order. So create, you'll see that it comes up right there. Now when you mouse over it, you see that it's highlighted and it gives you a hyperlink, because everything in Google is a link, it's a URL address. And so I'm just mousing over it, and I'm going to do a right click, and then if you see down here the plus share, you're going to go right here to share. So you're sharing this whole entire folder with me. The thing that's really great about this now is anytime you put a document or a presentation in there, you will always have it shared with me, and so that's important. Now some of the things that you create, I will want you to share with me with commenting rights as opposed to editing rights, but we'll get into that later. So what you're going to do is you're going to go right here to private only, and you want to change that. And actually it's already on specific people, so I guess you don't have to go there anymore. Google changes little things all the time, so sometimes you just gotta play their game. But anyway, so you're going to invite me down here, and my Google account is just my SBU email account, so jfox@sbuniv.edu. Okay, and then it says right here, can edit. Well, I don't really need to be able to edit your document, so you can change that right here. Well, there's not a can comment view on my, or choice on mine, because I am the person who is the owner of this, so it seems kind of weird to Google. But anyway, on yours there will be a can comment option, and that's the one that I want you to change yours to. Okay, and then if you want to send a message to me, you can put it right here. If not, you can just go ahead and send, but I want you to leave this notify people via email, because that means when you share it with me, I will get an email automatically, whether you put a message here or not, that you have shared this folder with me, and so I will have access at that point. So then click send, and then this is the link to your folder, which is good. Okay, so that is there, and it's shared, and if I go into it, then I will be able to put things in here, and I will make another short video about how to copy and put all your scoring guides into your folder.